See DAP files in your Downloads folder taking up space. These are incomplete downloads from the Download Accelerator Plus application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these partial download files are and how to complete or clean them up. Pro tip: for DAP files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. DAP files are partial download files created by Download Accelerator. Plus the download management application, they contain partially transferred file data from interrupted or in-progress downloads. The DAP extension marks files that have not completed downloading and may be resumable if the download source remains available. Download Accelerator plus DAP. Partial files use a proprietary format with segmented download data blocks and download state metadata. The format stores multiple parallel download segments that are assembled into the complete file upon successful download completion. Each segment tracks its byte range, offset, and transfer status. For full, accurate reading of DAP data, rely on Download Accelerator plus DAP by Speedbit. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows can produce temp files during normal use, and storage tools help clear them out. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your DAP file and click Open With. If Download Accelerator plus DAP is available, start with that. If not, don't hesitate to test every other option in the list. We're dealing with a highly specific DAP file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, resuming downloads. Open Download. Accelerator. Plus, and check the download list for paused or failed entries. Select the incomplete download and click Resume to continue transferring data from where it stopped. DAP uses multi-segment downloading to accelerate transfers and supports HTTP and FTP resume protocols for interrupted downloads. Next, completing downloads. Manually. If DAP cannot resume the download and the file is nearly complete, you may be able to rename the DAP file to its intended extension and check if it functions. However, partially downloaded files are usually corrupt. Redownload the file from the original source using DAP or an alternative download manager for a complete transfer. Finally, cleaning up partial files. DAP files from permanently failed or canceled downloads can be safely deleted to reclaim disk space. In DAP, remove completed or failed entries from the download list, which also cleans up the associated partial files. Manually delete orphan DAP files from your download directory if DAP no longer tracks them. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.